The German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development funds the German Development Institute, the German Institute for Global and Area Studies, the Kiel Institute for the World Economy, and the German Institute for International and Security Affairs, to establish the research network Sustainable Global Supply Chains. Besides the 4 host institutions, the network currently features 60 to 80 internationally leading scholars in the field of supply chain, value chain research. In this network, we present and discuss research findings and make them accessible to political decision makers and other stakeholders through a blog, podcasts, and research papers, and we jointly develop new cutting-edge research.
We are in a phase of transition, and the emerging patchwork of voluntary and mandatory sustainability standards provides a great opportunity for research on their intended and unintended effects.
Underneath the humongous benefit associated with the current rise of GVC lie environmental, social, and economic issues that pose a threat to the sustainability of global value chain. Among others, these include human rights abuse, child labor.
For firms from the Global South, it is generally beneficial to engage with multinational and foreign companies because they set standards regarding social and environmental aspects of production, which are usually higher than the legal requirements in the source countries. But there are well-known downsides of global production, such as environmental degradation or the exploitation of workers.
Experiences in countries like Vietnam or Ethiopia have shown that participation in global value chains can be an important driver of productive jobs with good employment conditions. In our own research, we want to investigate whether and how those experiences translate to other countries. Now, within this network, we want to make an effort to translate findings from such research for policy advice that stimulates employment generation from participation in global value chains.
Land right disputes, environmental degradation, or the loss of entire livelihoods. Social and environmental conflicts have sadly become a daily reality for many involved in global supply chains.
As part of the research network, we collaborate with a project that examines transnational governance approaches to promote human rights and sustainable developments along commodity supply chains.
The network will contribute to this research and provide a forum for exchange with policymakers to translate this knowledge into more sustainable practices.